Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your and your person's energies towards each other. What do they feel about you? What do they feel about the relationship and your energies as well? Plus the obstacles and the probable outcome of the situation. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. All right. So let's get started for my Aries. From 10th of January till 16th of January, these are the energies I'm going to take. What is going on with my Aries? Okay. Let's see. The overall energies which are coming up is the death and the world energy. So this is more likely to me. It feels like a kind of ending. Either somebody is trying to end it, or it could be a family also which is ending. Okay, it could be a marriage also which is coming towards an end. But the love was there definitely. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so sorry, let me shift the cards here. Yeah. So how they see you, Aries. They see you as a person who is very much involved into something negative. So they feel sometimes that you are a very negative person sometimes, because they might be knowing that you are going through some anxiety and depression kind of a thing. They know that, but they do not want to deal with it, because they do not want to be the crying shoulder of you for you. So that could be a thing. Give me one more card for Nine of Swords. Knight of Pentacles. And they really feel, see, one thing which really feel is that they know that you are very loyal. Loyalty is there and they know that. But they feel somewhere that you are too much into them, or you are not giving them enough time, or not enough time. It's more like a space kind of a thing I'm talking about. They want space, they want to be free, and they are not getting that. That is what they are trying to tell you, their messages to you. How you see them. Give me one card for strength. We have the High Priestess. You see them as a very confident and a very loving person, and a person who is really admired by many. A person who takes his or her own decisions. Although their energies are quite high when it comes to you, you do not take decision. You could be really slow in taking some decisions, but that is your pace, how you work. They really feel that about you. Okay. How do they see the relationship? With the Page of Cups, Eight of Swords. Yeah, they don't see this relationship as a very long-term relationship. Somewhere they are really not in. There's some other passions in life, some other things. So they are just taking it in a very temporary basis. They are not giving a lot of time and a lot of, how to say this, they're not giving what a person needs in a permanent relationship. They are not ready to give that, or they are too immature, or they are just, they are in love with the idea of love. It's not the person they love, and they do not know whom they love, and they are just going on. They feel that I need space. They're more like, I don't know with whom you are dealing with, Aries. Are you dealing with a person who is very much immature? Because they feel that they are immature, but it looks like, it feels like they feel like that you are the one who is immature, but it feels like they are the one who are immature. They're not taking this relationship in a very serious manner. In your energies, how you are taking this relationship, as you are seeing this relationship. Okay, so I feel that it was you who was very serious in the relationship, but now you have also changed your direction towards this relationship somewhere. You are coming towards an ending, or you want to come towards that ending, because you feel that you also, if they feel that they have different options, you also feel that I have also different options. Why only you? Why should I go to you when you are not here, when you feel that you are not giving me time and you come to me whenever you want? The obstacles they feel that are coming in the relationship is the devil energy, the emperor. It could be a person, it could be a father figure who could be coming, who they feel that this person is coming towards the relationship. I feel somewhere that it's just lust and dominance from their end which is coming up in the relationship. It's more, they're more inclined towards the money part, or the addiction part, the materialistic part in this relationship. And they are really happy to dominate over you. When they love to dominate, when they feel that you are getting dominated by them, they feel happy, they want to continue this relationship. But when they see that you are taking your own stand in the relationship, they are like, no, this person has changed all of a sudden, you were not like that before. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's see. Four of Cups is clarified by Eight of Pentacles. Obstacles you see. Somewhere this person is always involved into something else in life. It could be their work, it could be the money thing, it could be something else. They are more focused. And whenever you come towards them, whenever you feel like, let's chat, let's hang out, it's like always a no from them. You feel that you are not wanted anymore. Their action towards this relationship is a Nine of Wands, clarified by Queen of Swords. Yeah, they are trying to block this energy. They always come, they're coming towards you when they want to come. Okay, Aries. So yeah, you are, if you are feeling that you are being ignored by this kind of a personality, so yes, you are. Okay, they are ignoring you, they are blocking you. They when they are tired and when they feel like not talking to you, they just block you right away. They just stop talking to you, they become cold towards you. Your actions towards this relationship. The Moon, clarified by Four of Swords. I feel that somewhere you are really noticing this pattern, what they're actually doing, and that could be a reason you are watching this video, because you are already getting this instincts in you that this person is trying to use me, or this person is just trying to be there with me and there around me when he needs me. And there's no emotions involved, because seriously I am not able to see any emotions in their part. There were emotions, definitely. You both connected with each other because you felt that before, but not anymore. It's more about the other things in a relationship. It's not about the chit chatting, understanding each other, what the other person wants. It's no more there. The probable outcome of the situation. The Star, clarified by Death energy. So yeah, if you're hoping for a better coming up in this relationship, if you are the one who is feeling like that, because you are hoping, and at the same time you are healing, they have blocked you, they are coming towards you when they want, but you know that thing somewhere and you are ready to end it whenever you would want to end that rope. See this death energy, this person is cutting the rope over here and he's ready, and this is like a rope which has already been, see the length, see the that breadth thing over here. It's like you are pushing it too much and it is coming towards an end. Okay, so you have pushed already, you have pushed too much in this relationship, you have waited too much in this relationship. There's no much, I don't see any going back in this relationship from your end. I feel that this is you who is, although they are very cold, but you are healing at, as well as you are taking a decision from your heart, not from your mind. Wow. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Aries. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.